Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a very simple way of making your vegetable salad, and the recipes I'm going to be using is the spinach leaf. I got this spinach vegetable leaf from Lidl. You can also get it from any of your local Walmart. You can get it from ShopRite. It's called the Italian spinach vegetable salad. And note that the brown leaf you're seeing here is not bad, it's part of the leaf, so I'm using half of it. You are also going to be needing some cucumber. I'm using the English cucumber. You can use any cucumber you like. I'm using half of it. You're also going to be needing your sweet corn. This is the type that I'm using. You're also going to be needing some eggs. I'm using 3 eggs. So the first thing to do is to wash your vegetable and make sure to drain out the water from it. The second step is to chop your cucumber into tiny pieces and pour it into the vegetable. The third step is to chop your eggs into tiny pieces and also pour it into the vegetable. Then the fourth step is to drain out the water from your sweet corn and then pour your sweet corn into the vegetable. The fourth and the final step is to add your cream. Like I said, I'm using the salad cream. You can use mayonnaise or any other cream you like. Once you add your cream, stir it properly and your salad is ready. You can eat this salad with any pasta, or you can eat it with rice. You can eat it even all alone. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.